It's me. You're here at my channel, and I'm here at my channel, so we're back on my channel. And I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do synthetic wig reviews, I do tips and tricks and dyeing, and I also do car vlogs and a little bit of makeup. So today we're doing a wig review because guess what? I got the wig cap on. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, like right now. And today we have, this was a request from one of my subs, and they wanted to see some of the Outre daily wigs. I have done one of them. I feel like I did Ryan. Yeah, these are the Outre daily wig, and I have done Ryan here. These are wigs that are meant to be worn like daily. And this one I have is Kimbra. And I have her in the color DR Caramel, or Caramel. I hate it, so I don't really care how I say it. And it says that you can wear her on the daily. This is a lace part wig. It's not a lace front, so it's like easy peasy lemon squeezy. Lemon. And she's heat safe 350 to 400 degrees. With a lot of the lace part wigs, she is sort of shiftable, so let's get her. So this is Miss Kimbra. She's so pretty. That caramel has a lot of, I see like a 613 in there. I see a little 27. I see a little 30. It's beautifully sombre. Definitely a number 4 root. That's a number 4 root. Beautiful lace parting. This is the cap construction. It comes with a strap, which is awesome. And it also comes with 2 combs in the front. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Yucky texture, but it still feels like soft. Tighten the straps, just the adjustable straps in the back just a little bit. I usually put my wigs on back to front. Oh, and it's got that really breathable, nice mesh wig cap. I usually put my wigs on back to front, but I feel like you can't do that when you have a strap. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I feel like I need to put the strap on first. Okay. Yeah, definitely if it has like a strap. I find that with my the Wigo wigs that I have that have an adjustable strap, I feel like even though I usually put them on back to front with the strap, you have to do the opposite. Unless you already put them on front to back, then you're all good. The strap is comfortable. I feel like it could be a little snug with the strap for some people. But without the strap, the wig cap is definitely large. It's roomy. I'm going to be wearing this all day. I've never worn a wig with a strap for like a long period of time, so I guess we'll find out what I think. It definitely feels tight, like it's not going to move, but I don't know if it's comfortable. I might actually remove that, but we'll see. Yeah, the color is pretty. She's only about 16, 18 inches. All right, let me get her together and then we will talk about her, but she doesn't seem, oh, let me just look. So this is her, oh, that's cute. On the right, this is her on the left, which I like better, but we're gonna do her in the middle for right now. There's only a little bit of humpage, mostly from just being in the package. So just give me a minute. Well, it won't be a minute for you, but just give me a minute. back. That was lickety split. It's not super uncomfortable with the strap. I'm actually not going to use the combs in the front because where these straps are placed, they're actually pulling the wig down. One person was mentioning about, you know, liking the way that I wear my wigs. And I want to say this because I also get these comments and they're totally fine, but I just want to address them. Wigs are like makeup or clothes. We're all going to have different styles. We're all going to have different techniques. And that's why, you know, it's nice to have different perspectives on YouTube. I like certain things with my wigs and I don't like others. It's just what it is. So you could just leave it like this, or you could comb it out or finger it out, or finger comb it out. But also, one of the things that I do to lay my wigs, you see me doing it, but I don't know that I've always like said what I'm doing, is I really make sure when it's a lace parting wig. See these wefts in the front here? This one's actually kind of nice. But I always pull the front hair down over the weft and set it down just, oh, I just burnt myself. Don't do that. But I set it down just, all these marks here are from me burning myself. I set it down over the weft. If you feel like you're going to burn yourself, you can do that on a wig head. Or you can do it this way, which I was doing it, so I don't know why I stopped, is like pull the hair actually away and then do it. But there. So this is what she's very comfortable. With the strap, she could be friendly for someone who's looking for a smaller wig cap, but without the strap, she is definitely larger. So this is really something that could work for both, which is nice. I don't know that I've ever reviewed a wig that could work for both, with or without a strap. Let's look at her from the back, and then I'm gonna like run my fingers through it just a little bit. I don't want to completely brush it out. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Look at the movement on that. So pretty. I really like this wig. I don't know 100% how I am feeling about, oh yeah, there we go, just fluff it out a little bit, about the strap. For me, I tend to get migraines, and so that's another reason why, if you ever wondered why I don't glue my wigs down, I'll tell you right now. A, I don't wear them long enough, and I like to be able to change them to really glue them down. And B, I'm a migraine sufferer, so I need the ability to be able to take it off if it's getting too tight. And that's why I think the strap is great. I don't know that I would use it, although I'm not having to use the front comb, so that's nice. If you want to protect your hairline, that would be good. I really like this. This is very pretty. Yeah, I mean, that literally took 2 seconds to get together. You wouldn't even have to, the part didn't need to be opened. You didn't have to put heat to the front. That's just my preference. And I always like to pluck the hairs right in the front. Some people may feel like that's over plucking, but that's my preference. That's what I want to do. I don't like straggly hairs at the part. That's just me. I don't have my regular powder. I took it with me to when I went out. So yeah, this is Kimbra. I'm loving her so far. I really like that she's versatile for different needs. And okay, that's my review on her. If you have her, please let me know what you think of her. If there's another one of the Outre daily wigs, which are all lace parting, and you know I love the lace parting from Free Trust Equal, so if you have any other ones that you want me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.